To connect Wi-Fi network with Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, we're gonna start by opening settings on our device. Next step is to click on the Wi-Fi list right here and then make sure that your Wi-Fi is toggled on. Now you can either go to available networks and then select whichever network nearby that you have access to. Select that network, enter a password if it's protected by one, and click on connect. After that, you should be successfully connected with the network. Another thing that you can try is to open the QR code scanner. So if you have a QR code on your Wi-Fi router or someone is trying to share you the Wi-Fi password, just scan it, pick up your phone and scan the QR code using a camera on your phone on that device. And last thing that you can try is to add network manually, but this is quite complicated. You need to enter its SSID and security number. If the network is hidden, then toggle yes, and you can also change the privacy settings. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.